And the reason people are struggling in pandemic, bigger challenge is we are at home, but we are not at home. Now, me and Gitika both are running our businesses. We are independent business leaders. She runs her community, I run my business, and we both are successfully running our businesses. So we both are highly educated, and we both have a busy schedule. We both have professional life, and we also married together. Now, what happens here? We both have our excitement to share. Gitika has her excitement to share. I have my excitement to share. Question: who is willing to listen? And then we have this villain in our life. You know who is the biggest villain right now? WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. They are your biggest villain of your life. But they have their own plus point also, but they have their own biggest animosity also. You know why? I have seen people are talking, the husband and wife talking, the wife is busy in WhatsApp, or husband is busy in WhatsApp, they're busy replying a mail. We are at home, but we are not at home. Think upon it. For 1 hour a day, keep aside lunchtime or dinner time or whatever time you figure out, keep it aside your mobile phone, put it in charging and get rid of that device, and half an hour eat food peacefully and share about a vision. Just do this much, your marriage will multiply 10 times. I mean, your chemistry will evolve, that bonding will develop. Just do that much.